Jayamma lives in Chamalapur, a small village in the Yalandur region of Karnataka. She works as a daily wage earner for rupees 80 or just over $1 a day. 4 years ago, the traditional cook stove she used caught fire, setting her kitchen ablaze.
ನಾವು ಒಲೆ ಹಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಗುಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋಷ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂದೋಗಿತ್ತು. ಬೆಂದೋಗಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹಣದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ 4 ತಿಂಗಳಾಯಿತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 40,000 ಖರ್ಚು ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಪೇರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು.
Till 2009, Jayamma's woes were a common story in the villages of Yalandur, a small hamlet on the foothills of the majestic BR Hills, a protected wildlife reserve. Close to 70% of the families here live below the poverty line, typically relying on the forests to fuel their kitchens and homes. Traditional forms of cooking consumed a lot of firewood, and the smoke emitted created serious health problems for women and children. The drudgery for women was unending, with many also having to walk long distances in the shrinking forests in search of firewood.
ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ 6 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ನಾವು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾತ್ರೆ ತೊಳೆದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೌದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸೌದೆಗೆ ಕಾಡಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೌದೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಒಂದು 20-25 kg ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೌದೆ ತಂದು ವಾರಕ್ಕಾಗೋಷ್ಟು ಇಟ್ಕೊತಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಮತ್ತು ಬಿಸಿಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಳ್ಳು ಚುಚ್ಚಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ತಲೆನೋವು ಬರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಬಿಸಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾದು ನಮಗೆ ಬಂದು ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು.
In 2009, as part of a small grants program administered by UNDP and supported by the Global Environment Facility, a project was started which looked at how local communities could mitigate the impact of climate change on their daily lives. The answer came in installing smokeless cook stoves, which could help poor scheduled castes and scheduled tribe communities address the challenge of firewood shortages and also improve the quality of women's lives. It's an innovation that has changed lives in these parts. The smokeless cook stove captures all the heat produced by firewood and not a smallest piece goes to waste. The stove is connected to a pipe that snakes through the house, reaching the roof and expelling smoke far away from women and children.
ಆವಾಗ ಇವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಲೆಯಿಂದ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಅದ, ಸೌದೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹಿಡಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಆಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಹೊರಗಡೆನೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೊ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಆವಾಗ ಇವರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೊಲ ಹಾಕ್ಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ರಾಜಶೇಖರಪ್ಪರಿಂದ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಸರಿಂದ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಯಿತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಲ ಹಾಕ್ಸಲಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
Installing a smokeless cook stove has been made easier for these poor households by replacing cash payments with labor. Families themselves, often women, install the cook stove under the watchful guidance of the mason from their village trained in the technology. Implemented by the Vivekananda Trust in 5 villages, the cook stoves became so hugely popular that the initiative was scaled up through another grant in 2012 to cover 10 more villages. Over 800 households are now proud owners of smokeless cook stoves. In India, it is estimated that 50,000 people die each year of indoor pollution. But since 2009, the women in Yalandur have made sure that their families had cleaner air to breathe. Carbon dioxide emissions have quartered, and firewood use in these villages have declined by up to 70%.
ಈ ಅಸ್ತ್ರ ಒಲೆಯಿಂದ ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದು ಬೇಗ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಸೌದೆನ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗ್ಳಿಗಾಗ 15 ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಥರ ಸೌದೆನ 1 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲೇ ತಂದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬೇಗ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಬೇಗ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಟೈಲರಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ಟೈಲರ್ ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
Women have a lot more time on their hands now. To help them cash in on time saved, the project has set up tailoring units at the local Anganwadi or healthcare centers where women are learning to make garments. As the smoke rises above the houses, the women of Yalandur have created a huge movement that is now arresting the impact of climate change, creating for themselves a smokeless and a more secure future ahead.